neart ceol an seo, ceolínta gur fad. Now by me tógáil sus beag again cúpla nóid ach by me rash an streets an seo, then neart ceol eile ach ar dús. Ennis is widely known for its street singing and busking and crack on the streets. Agus inis bútarí don comórtas buscala aniu, Kasha.